Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today we are just going to take down some of these shelves that I DIY'd in my kitchen. I did put them in the wall without putting them into studs. I used wall anchors. However, after a few days, my shelves did begin to slip. So my husband advised that I take them down and put them in the studs, especially with the amount of decorations I wanted to put on them. So that's what we are doing today. First of all, I had to get these wall anchors out of the wall, which was a pain in the butt. So I started with pliers. That kind of did the trick on the left side of the wall, and then I just got over it and I decided to go in with a hammer on the right side of the wall. This worked out a little bit better. I did get all the wall anchors out, but if you watch this, guys, I just left this in here because it's kind of like watching those videos where people are like popping pimples and it's just like weirdly satisfying. Anyways, so then you just scrape the wall just to make it flush so that when you do fill it and paint it, the wall is a little bit more smooth and doesn't have as many defects, since as you can see I butchered this wall. I was able to find spackle and the little spatula at the Dollar Tree, so I only spent $2. I patched up all these holes and then drilled all the new holes that I needed. I did have to recruit my husband for this part, but I was able to get all of my brackets back up and repositioned, and then I just went over the spackle and painted it. So the spackle dried for about 3 hours, and then the paint is Repost Gray by Sherwin-Williams, and I left that to sit overnight before I started to decorate anything. So now I'm just putting my shelves back up, and again, I'm going to leave these overnight and I'm just going to let everything dry. Now it's the next day and it's time to decorate. I did already have my shelves decorated, so I do know exactly where I'm putting what this morning, but that window, that actually came from a Target entertainment center. I ended up not keeping it. It was a little wobbly, so I threw it away, but I did keep the doors. So I have that up there with my Tabasco basket that I did get from Hobby Lobby. I got the white canister from Hobby Lobby, and then all of the lavender in it from Walmart. The fabric I thrifted, as well as these little Thai clay bowls. I thrifted those as well. I did do a thrift haul with most of the stuff that I'm putting on these shelves, so I will link that below so you can check that out. My sweet tea sign I got at Hobby Lobby, and I think everything on this second bottom shelf, I guess, I thrifted. The basket, the bowl, and the tricycle. So now on top of my cabinet, I did go and buy a live succulent. So that is my one living plant in this house right now. I'm just going to decorate the top of this two-tiered tray with the succulent and this cute little white canister. So these canisters actually came 2 for $10. They were stuffed with cookies, but those cookies were expiring, so they were on sale at Tuesday morning. So I bought those 2 for $10. And the top one has coffee, the bottom one has tea. This little pot here I got for a little over $6 at Kirkland's during the Memorial Day sale. I absolutely love the black and white detailing, and then that little black candle came from the Dollar Tree. Kirkland's also had this picture frame on sale for $5. So if you guys have a Kirkland's near you, I highly recommend checking them out. They have really great sales. My little signs here, that one is from Kirkland's. It says, "I'm sorry for what I said before coffee." The one on top of that is from Hobby Lobby, and it says, "All I need is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus." Now for my coffee sign, I did get this at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna put this a little bit higher because I am thinking about purchasing a Keurig that will sit right next to my regular coffee machine. And you can see Miss Pepper making a little cameo. For my shelves, or on this shelf here, I have 3 baskets. I did get these at Target. I wanna say they were about $8.99 each. I didn't wanna be able to see inside of them, so I did cover the front with some burlap ribbon. And that's it, guys. I really just was putting everything back where I had left it before my shelf started to come off the wall, so it was really easy for me to throw everything together. But if you like what you see, please leave me a comment below. I'd love to have you guys back. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll do some more videos like this. Thanks guys, bye.